Understanding chronic fatigue. Scientific insights into causes, mechanisms, and treatments. Have you ever woken up after a full night's sleep, only to feel completely drained? You experience physical heaviness, mental fog, and a profound difficulty in managing everyday activities. This isn't just ordinary tiredness, it could be something more profound. Chronic fatigue syndrome (CFS) affects millions across the globe. It's real, it's serious, and it's often misunderstood. In this video, we're going to break it all down. What chronic fatigue really is, what's going wrong inside the body, what causes it, and most importantly, what can help. What is chronic fatigue syndrome? This goes far beyond simply feeling tired. CFS is a complex illness where your body's energy system breaks down. Even basic activities like walking or showering can leave someone feeling like they ran a marathon. Doctors look for these signs: exhaustion lasting 6 months or more, feeling worse after even mild activity called post-exertional malaise, poor sleep that doesn't recharge you, or brain fog, or feeling dizzy when standing. This is more than just needing a nap. It's a deep, body-wide energy crash. The energy crisis in your cells. Our bodies make energy in tiny structures called mitochondria, like little power plants in each cell. In people with chronic fatigue, these power plants don't work properly. Even with proper nutrition and oxygen, their cells struggle to produce sufficient energy. What happens? Energy or ATP drops. Muscles feel weak. The brain gets foggy. The body starts using the backup systems, causing even more exhaustion. The immune system is overreacting. For many, chronic fatigue starts after a virus or infection. Think Epstein-Barr, herpes viruses, or even long COVID. The immune system stays on long after the infection is gone, creating low-level inflammation in the brain and body. This inflammation damages brain cells, slows energy production, and messes with sleep and stress hormones. In some people, the immune system may even start attacking the body itself, what we call autoimmunity. The brain's inflammation and nervous system chaos. Brain scans show that people with CFS often have inflammation in key areas that control energy, mood, and focus. This includes the brainstem that controls sleep and heartbeat, the limbic system that handles fatigue and emotion, and the prefrontal cortex responsible for thinking and focus. The nervous system also goes haywire. Many experience standing makes the heart race, or causes dizziness, or often feel tired but wired. Too exhausted to function, but too wired to rest. Stress hormones out of sync. The body's stress system gets out of balance. Normally, this system helps us wake up, handle stress, and sleep at night. But in chronic fatigue, morning energy is low. Cortisol, the stress hormone, stays flat or too low, and people can't handle stress, heal, or sleep well. This can be triggered by long-term stress, trauma, or ongoing inflammation. Gut problems can cause whole-body fatigue. Did you know your gut health is closely tied to your energy levels and immune system? In people with chronic fatigue, the gut microbiome is often imbalanced, a condition known as gut dysbiosis. This means there are fewer beneficial bacteria, like bifidobacteria, and an overgrowth of harmful ones that can release toxins. One major issue is leaky gut, where the intestinal lining becomes more permeable, allowing inflammation and harmful substances to enter the bloodstream. This can disrupt your immune response, affect brain function, and leave you feeling constantly drained. Watch the video on leaky gut, link in the description box. Triggers that tip the scale. Chronic fatigue is a multifactorial condition with cumulative and often interrelated root causes. These may include prior, viral or bacterial infections, chronic exposure to biotoxins such as mold, and toxic heavy metals like mercury or lead. Additional contributing factors include persistent psychological stress, sleep disturbances, and deficiencies in key nutrients such as vitamin B12, magnesium, and iron. Emotional trauma and prolonged states of physical or mental burnout can further exacerbate the condition. This progressive burden on physiological systems can be likened to a threshold model, where the body's compensatory mechanisms manage until one final trigger overwhelms homeostasis, resulting in a systemic collapse in energy regulation and resilience. So, what can help? There's no single cure, but many people improve by combining the right methods. Here's what science and experience suggest. 1. Support your cell energy. Supplements like CoQ10, magnesium, B vitamins, vitamin C, and NADH can play a key role in boosting cellular energy and supporting those with chronic fatigue. Find the link about CoQ10 in the description box. In addition to supplements, nutrient-rich foods such as liver, leafy greens, beets, and oily fish can naturally enhance your energy at the cellular level. 2. Calm the immune system. Low-dose naltrexone, LDN, a gentle immune modulator, vitamin D, omega-3 fatty acids, curcumin, and green tea extract can also calm the immune system. In tough cases, do immune therapy with a doctor's help. 3. Rebalance stress hormones. Adaptogens, such as ashwagandha, rhodiola, and cordyceps, have shown promise in supporting recovery from chronic fatigue. To learn more about how these powerful herbs work, check out our video on adaptogens, link in the description. For a more holistic approach, practices like breathwork, cold exposure, and meditation can help reset the nervous system and aid in overcoming chronic fatigue. Don't miss our video on these techniques. Find the link in the description box. 4. Heal the gut. Supporting your gut health with probiotics and prebiotics is one effective way to ease the symptoms of chronic fatigue. Avoiding common trigger foods like gluten, sugar, and dairy can also make a significant difference. Repairing a leaky gut using nutrients like glutamine, zinc, and specific herbal remedies further supports recovery. We've explored these herbal solutions in detail in our herbal medicine video. Be sure to check it out. The link is in the description box. 5. Improve sleep naturally. Set a regular bedtime. Use magnesium, L-theanine, or melatonin. Avoid screens before bed and create a calm evening routine. 6. Move smartly, or pacing. Avoid pushing through the fatigue. Use a heart rate monitor to stay in a safe range. Try light yoga or gentle walking, but rest before you crash. 7. Cutting-edge options. Red light therapy to support mitochondria, peptides, methylene blue, and even gut transplants under medical care. Final thoughts. Chronic fatigue is real, it's measurable, and it's treatable. It's your body asking you to slow down, heal, and rebalance. Recovery takes time, but with the right plan, one that supports your whole system, it's possible to regain your energy and your life. You are not lazy. You are not broken. You are not alone. Let's get the conversation going. Drop your questions or experiences in the comments. And if this video helped, please like, share, and subscribe. The content presented in this talk is for informational and educational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. The information provided is based on scientific literature and clinical observations, but should not be considered a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult with a qualified healthcare provider before making any changes to your health regimen or starting new treatments, especially if you have a medical condition or are taking prescribed medications. If you found this video useful, share it with someone who might benefit. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more science-backed insights. Share in the comments if you've ever experienced fatigue or burnout. Your story might help someone else feel less alone.